Hello and welcome to this short demo about adjustment of other Dynamics 365 Copilots with the help of Copilot Studio. Maybe some of you already tried or tested the out-of-the-box Copilots that you can find, for example, in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, or here on the right-hand side in Dynamics 365 Sales. And you wondered, hey, can I adjust these Copilots, make them custom Copilots? Yeah? And if so, how does this work? Yeah? And that's something I want to cover in the next couple of minutes. And of course, not on slides, but in my demo system. So let's have a look at how we can realize that. Okay, I'm here in my demo environment in the solution area. So you can see the solutions here. And the solution where I build all these things is my default solution. And if you check out the chatbots, you can find the Copilot for Finance and the one for customer service. That's what I showed you on the slides. And then the first question is, are you allowed to make adjustments to these Copilots? And to find out, you can simply click on these three dots and then open the Manage Properties. And this one shows you that you are not allowed to make changes or adjustments to the customer service Copilot. Now, if you check the one for finance and operations, and if you open again the manage properties, you see that we are allowed to do customizations. And that's what we want. Now, before I jump into details, let's quickly show you these different Copilots. So here is the one in sales. It has a lot of capabilities. So you can see that from the prompts and what I asked for. You can ask for information, ask questions, and so on. But you are not allowed to make adjustments to this kind of experience, at least at the moment. On the other hand side, if you are in finance and operations, you remember that you can make adjustments. So you can ask standard questions. What can you help me with? And then, hey, this Copilot says, okay, I can help you with these kind of questions. For example, how can I request time off? And then what you will see is a kind of guiding experience that gets the information from Microsoft Learn. So you have to navigate to step 1, 2, 3 and do this and that. And if you want to have more information, you click this link and then you see that you will end up in Microsoft Learn, which is great, but maybe not exactly what I want to have. Because rather than following the steps, I want to have a hyperlink and directly jump to the site. Or I want to have another experience. And that's why I made some adjustments. So for example, if I say, who is Ludwig Reinhardt? Then I should get an answer that I customize. So this is a feedback that comes from a customization that I made to Copilot Studio. And I will show you in a minute how it works. So another question that I have is, for example, navigate to financial reports. Because that's something I want to open. And you will see in a minute or a second what you will get. That's the standard experience. So you go step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and have to do this. But now let me slightly modify this. Navigate me to financial reports. And what you see now is an adjustment that I made. And it basically provides you a hyperlink that opens the financial report site for you. And now you can directly do your reporting, check something out, and so on. I also did something similar for, let's say you want to have fixed assets. Navigate me to fixed assets. Again, you get a hyperlink, you click on that and the site opens. And that's what I adjusted. The question is, how did I do that? Well, let's have a look. And for that, let's navigate into Copilot Studio. And before we see the adjustments, here's the short note that I want to make. Here's the customer service Copilot. And if you open it and click on the topics, you will see that this one is managed and not customizable. So that's not what we want to have. Huh? So let's try the finance one. Huh? So this one here, so let's open it. And then we do not want to test something. But now, if we go to topics, you will not see this kind of message. Huh? What you will rather see is that I made some adjustments here. So the first one is a topic that I generated. And here you can see how it knows who is Ludwig Reinhardt, because I just entered this message here. The other thing that I did is I created here the last topic, and I did not do this manually. I basically said here, create with a description from Copilot. So I used the Copilot to adjust Copilot Studio. Okay, so and that's what I generated, and you will see that the trigger phrases that I have here. I said basically, okay, navigate me to fixed asset, age balance, financial reports. Yeah, that's just as an example. And then based on what the user writes, you get here the hyperlink. And how did I do the hyperlink? Well, you use these square brackets. This is the text that you see. For example, here age balances, or here financial reports. And then right below, in the other brackets here, you post or paste this hyperlink, this URL. That's all. The only thing you need to do, and not forget this to do, is to publish this thing. Because if you do not publish, the whole thing does not work. And this is just a simple example how you can easily customize this thing. And now imagine what you can do with all of that. You can connect to different warehouse systems, request information about invoices that you might have on SharePoint, or some contracts that you might have on OneDrive or somewhere. This is all possible with this kind of Copilot Studio experience. Okay, that's it for today, what I want to share. Let's go back to my PowerPoint and close this post. Okay, actually after this demo, the only thing that I have left for you is basically to show you my contact details in case you have some comments, in case you have tried something similar and made also some experience that you want to share with the community. So reach out to me either via email, via my blog, or via my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for watching and listening, and then till next time.